when a mother is getting pregnant and when she delivers a baby, she becomes a mommy. So her body goes through a lot of changes. So breast can sag, breast can become big, breast can get deflated, anything can happen. When வயிறுல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வயிறு can develop all the stretch marks, can become like a belly மாதிரி வந்துடும் because it becomes very loose. Skin will be overhanging in the lower abdomen. So இதெல்லாம் put together, what we are trying to bring back to her original, however she was earlier, is called as Mommy Makeover. But generally they don't do everything together. So then we address each and every area as and when they come. For example, இப்போ வயிறு வந்து post pregnancy changes இருக்கும்போது there we do something called as a tummy tuck, where we remove that excess skin, we tighten the abdomen, and when we do liposuction to the sides to give that shape. அதே மாதிரி breast வந்து நம்மளுக்கு டெலிவரி ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் once they complete all the breast feeding and everything, அவங்களுக்கு வந்து breastக்கு வந்து if there is changes sagging இருந்தால் then we do a lift. If it's reduction ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருந்தால் then we do a reduction. If it's getting deflated then we do augmentation. So depending on what they want.